Okay, let's look at if we use the const, which is for the constant. So can you predict the output of this one? What I did some change in the code. I created another paragraph with demo3, and from here what I did, I created a constant, and then I am trying to update its value in the for loop. What will happen? So which where it should give us error? Like it will not print the rest of the values here. Okay, I'm not getting any error. Where I can see the errors?
Console log.
Good. So if we go to here, more tools, developer tools. Yeah, this is opening. Now this will give us the error that constant cannot be overwritten, right? So this is like, since this JavaScript is interpreted language, it is not compiled language, so it is not giving us any error at the compile time. But if we use the similar pattern in any other typed programming language like Java, it gives the error immediately. So you should be able to see the error on console that this is not working, right? So is this clear with everyone?